Lesson 3.3 How to check error history. You can see past error list of multiple and a specific machine. By finding a frequent error, try to solve the fundamental problem. Also, it contributes to making a better maintenance plan and realizing preventive maintenance. So, let's explore how to see on the system. Click on Sewing Machine Management. 30-day error history of multiple machines shows multiple machines' error history. And error history per machine shows a specific machine's error history. I'll show you the multiple machines' error history first. You can see when and what error occurred on which sewing machine, and what the cause and solution are. Let's check one machine's error history next. Select a machine. After selecting, click on OK. The machine's problem can be found at one glance and immediately solved.